What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EMT. My name's Emad, and today we're going to be building my very first PC. Is this going to be an epic fail? Let's find out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so now we're just going to do a quick overview on the parts that I got. And we got here a solid state 2TB hard drive. I'm going to be storing a lot of videos on here and doing a lot of video editing, so I figured, hey, this might help me out a lot. Now, we are going to go ahead and unbox the solid state hard drive. This is a 2TB one. You know, if you need to go with this much memory, go for it. If you don't, then well, you know, you just don't. But I went for it because obviously I'm going to be having a lot of videos on here, and then, you know, just stuff from the past and all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. I want a little strip there. Let's do that. Opening that. Gently place the box off to the side. A sealed instruction booklet. This is crazy. That's pretty good. That's pretty. All right. So this is actually a pretty cool looking little hard drive. This is really small. Whoa, there's no cables for this. What in the world? Okay, so I think I may need to bring the instruction booklet back out. All right. So, instructions time. Time to unseal. Alright, Samsung solid state drive. Okay, so I think you can either use this as an external or an internal. Wow, this has just a universal stuff in it, man. Wait, I think these are these. But then what's the big one, man? Y'all know what's going on here. Maybe an instruction booklet for the case? I think. Alright. Okay, so it says SSD drive installation, vertical mount. Yeah, no, I think I could take that off and mount it there, but then jump in Jehoshaphat's name. Am I supposed to connect it to the motherboard? Okay, well, I guess. I don't know, no professional, they'll probably just like laughing right now. Oh dude, you just do that. I think it's time to bring up the book. Yes, I know, there's a table of contents, guys, I know this. I think it has something to do with the SATA ports, but I'm not positive. I'm gonna see if these can plug into it. So these do plug into it. These are the SATA cables, I believe. Yeah, these do say SATA on them. What about this other larger one? Do y'all see this? So there's a big one and a little one. Do you even use the big one? No, that's what she said, guys. Alright? No, none of that. We're grown up here. Yeah, so I'm just going to use that one SATA cable. So I'm just going to mount it using this one cable, and hopefully it reads when we boot it. If not, then, you know, I'll probably make it go out and buy cables and stuff like that. I don't know if you can see that. It's got two little universal mounts there. I think I'm going to use the furthest one. So this little tab right there gets pushed down. That's how that comes up. Alright, so I guess I'm going to mount it this way. Let's see kind of screws those. That particular one takes there. So it takes C. So C screws M3 by 5. So these are the ones right here. So I'm going to push them all the way back. I don't know if you can see that, but the screws are set all the way at the bottom because I just want a good, you know, like, I don't know. I'm not going to do this for too much so the Samsung solid state drive is installed in this little bracket here. Alright, let's see. Should just click. There it goes. Yeah. So I clicked on. This was the screw. Let's move that. Alright. The solid state drive is installed there. Man, I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I think I'm just going to run the SATA cables and just pray that I'm right. Put this small pin on. I guess I should have done it previous to this. I'm just going to run one of these SATA cables. Here. There's a little hole right here. This thing's going to feed up here. And there it goes. Okay, so that's the SATA cable. Moving on.
Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. This is just one part of a whole series I'm going to put out about how to build that PC right there, get it up and running and everything like that. I'm also going to be throwing down the whole build episode as well, from the beginning of the case build all the way up to when we plug it in and get it running. Remember, guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. It really helps me out. If you have any comments or questions or anything, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.